Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure Google Assistant is enabled and that you're signed into your Google account. Once done, give the app microphone and location permissions so voice input and contextual replies work. Make sure your device is on the same Wi-Fi or has mobile data. Next, set your wake word and enable voice match so Assistant recognizes you. Test immediately by saying, "Hey Google," and asking a simple question to confirm audio, network, and account linkage are all working. Now you configure practical controls. Build routines that bundle actions like weather, reminders, and lights into one command. Once a routine exists, link your smart home devices and assign each to a room or nickname so you can say, "Turn off bedroom lamp." Make sure languages and speech output are set to your preference, and enable continuous conversation if you want follow-up questions without repeating the wake phrase. This lets Assistant flow naturally through tasks and reduces friction during multi-step interactions. You finish by using Assistant routinely. Speak naturally and refine routine triggers so responses become reliable. Make sure to review your activity controls and voice model to keep personal data protected. Remove any recordings you don't want saved. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Reboot the device, then retrain voice match and recheck microphone and location permissions. If Assistant still mishears, test on another device and confirm network stability. These actions resolve most remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.